Hi, we're going to read A Rainy Day. There's Mango. He's taking a nap. Shh. A Rainy Day. All right, get ready to help me read. It was a rainy day. A frog came to school. A ladybug came to school. I wonder if Mango's gonna come. Hmm. A butterfly came to school. Oh yeah, I figured that out. I saw the butterfly on her jacket. Did you notice that picture clue? A dinosaur came to school. A cow came to school. Hmm. A bee, a bee came to school too. Where are the children? The teacher said. Hmm. Where are they? Are they at home distance learning like all of my friends? That was a lot. Here, read it with me. A rainy day is a wet day. Umbrellas, coats, and boots help us stay dry. What do you put on when it rains? Bye for now, friends. Oh, tell Mango bye for now, too.